Hi everyone, welcome back to Jady Kreativ. In today's video, I'll show you a fun little project that turns a damaged spot into a beautiful detail on your outfit. So grab your needle and thread, and let's start sewing together. Draw a heart shape and mark horizontal guidelines about 2 mm apart. Start stitching along those horizontal lines to form the base. Then begin the vertical stitches from the center of the heart. This helps keep your alignment even instead of starting from the left or right edge. For the first vertical row, carefully space your stitches evenly so the next rows can follow that pattern. Keep about 1 mm between each vertical stitch. By the way, if you're enjoying sewing hacks, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Jady Kreativ for even more. Thank you so much for your support. The key tip is the more evenly spaced your stitches are, the neater and more beautiful the woven heart will look. Then mirror the same steps on the other side. And that's it. We've just fixed a hole on clothes with a lovely heart-shaped patch. Not only does it cover the damaged spot neatly, but it also adds a cute, handmade touch to your outfit. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative sewing hacks and repair tips. See you in the next video.